Hey, hi friends. So welcome back everyone to my channel. Any Trader Can Fly. This is Prince here once again. So friends, let us look into today's trade in Banknifty and the adjustments what I did today. And I should tell you today was an easy day for option sellers. Almost market was Banknifty was moving sideways. Initially there was upward movement, but then after that it was moving sideways. And there was no spikes at all, completely relaxed. Bank Nifty, whatever we saw yesterday, the opposite we were able to see today. Okay, so before going into that video, friends, I just wanted to clarify few in fact answer few questions which I got yesterday on my WhatsApp, on my personal number which I had shared. So the main reason is that yesterday I had posted a loss making video. So when loss making videos are there is little bit of negativity and all those things. So I just want to clarify few questions, few WhatsApp messages which I got. So there's one person, I don't want to reveal the name, please don't take me wrong, just that I wanted to educate you. So he's a well-wisher of mine, so he's saying that, sir, please don't post negative videos, loss making videos. So basically what he's saying is that the impression in market, my YouTube subscriptions will come down, subscribers will come down if I post negative loss making videos. So friends, let me tell you one thing very clearly. My intention is not to increase the subscribers or something like that. It is not that I just want sympathy out of showing my negative videos. I just loss making videos. My intention was very, very clear. I wanted to show you how a full-time trader or a person who is trading, who is living out of trading trades. Plus and minuses are common. If at all you are fooled by people, those are only showing you daily profits, then please, this is not the channel for you. If at all you want excitement, if at all you want to see such kind of thing, then you might have to find some other channel. This is a channel where I am genuinely showing all the trades, what I am doing and how I live out of trading. This is what is the main motto which I am trying to show you all. Losses and profits are common. And also, friends, there are many channels. I am really sorry to say that there are many channels who post only the profit parts. They don't show the negative part. So there's an impression in the mind of people that if at all you're a successful trader, you only have to make profits daily. That's a wrong misconception. So please take it out of my mind. Take it out of your mind. Okay. Yeah. Second thing is which I keep getting I also feel ridiculous, is that I really feel sorry for your loss. Okay. So this is what few people keep telling. I really feel sorry for your losses. Please don't feel bad. You will pick up. Friends, come on. I have come across that stage of feeling bad whenever I see losses, and I have come across the stage where I get excited when I see profits. Yes, it's a trait of a professional trader. I'm not saying I am highly professional. I'm just saying I am a 50% professional kind of trader. So I have got rid of these emotions. I am least bothered if I make losses. I am least bothered if I make profits, because I know it is not 1 day or 2 days which decides my trading. It's entire month. In fact, I've started even thinking as entire quarter. All the losses and profit together, when you make when you see the consolidated figure, you just have to come to a conclusion whether you're a good trader or not. So I'm not worried about the day-to-day losses or the profit. So please take it out of your mind, and you don't have to feel bad about it. Neither I do feel. So don't worry about it. Second thing is, you're taking too much of risk. 1 lakh, seeing the 1 lakh loss, many people were thinking that I'm taking too much of risk. Friends, let me be very, very clear to you. I told you in the beginning itself, the risk appetite for me is less than 2%. I don't lose more than 2% of my capital, and my capital, as you all know, is close to 1 CR. So something above 1 CR, small range. So 2 lakh is the maximum limit which I can keep. But yesterday you saw it was just only 1% which I lost in the trading. And you might say, yes, you lost 1%, 1 lakh capital, that's a big amount loss. So what happens is, this is a concept of Milo. You would have heard the story about Milo. It's like, he was a very ancient person. He won the buffalo challenge, that carrying the buffalo challenge. How did he win? Is that when the buffalo was growing, when it was a calf, he used to carry it on his shoulder. And then when it kept on growing, he used to carry it daily. And then once when the calf became a very big ox or cow or buffalo, whatever it is, he used to run fast and win a lot of competitions. So it is like step-by-step procedure. In the same way, I used to lose 10,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. Now I reached to a level where I'm losing 1 lakh, 2 lakh daily. So it doesn't matter at all. It won't even pinch. That is how even you will also be coming across. You would have seen in 2020 when I was trading live in front of you all, my capital was around 10 lakhs. Now it has grown to 1 CR. So it is not that drastically infused 1 CR and I'm suddenly seeing loss of 1 lakh, 2 lakh. It's like step on step. So I have seen the growth, I have seen the losses. I have seen 1 lakh, I mean 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, this kind of losses. So it automatically it builds up your emotions. So you won't get what to say, you won't feel sad or you won't get emotional breakdown whenever you see this 1 lakh, 2 lakh losses. So don't worry about it. Losses under control. And one thing, if at all you can, if at all you are going to learn from this program, this live trades, is that friends, don't change the strategy. This is one more thing, I really feel I don't know what I should answer. I only reply telling that thanks for your feedback. They say, sir, please add this settings and you will not get this loss. Please add this indicator, you will not get this loss. Sir, please take this straddle at this time, you will not get loss. These kind of advices keeps coming. Friends, let me tell you one thing. Losses of 1 day or 2 day or 3 day, 4 day I'll not change my strategy. And although I am a discretionary trader, it's not that I am a rule based trading. Presently what I'm doing is discretionary trading. So it's not that just 1 or 2 day losses will set me back. I will stick on to my thoughts, stick on to my principles, whatever I have learned from my experience, and I will keep using it daily and day in and day out. Okay, so I just wanted to give you, just want to reply a few of these questions, answers for a few of these questions. And without wasting much time, let us go into today's trade. And if at all you have any doubts, any confusion, as I always keep telling you, you can always WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. Well, Banknifty today had a very decent opening. There was a gap up opening, which is very good for us because the VIX also comes down. And then when I looked into the open interest, there was no much difference between the change in call and the put, and also the open interest of particular strike prices also were not very far. It was all the ATM prices, ATM strikes, which were showing the huge volume. So thereby, open interest was not giving any indication as to where the market will move. Then only we are left with price action. So what I am doing is I am drawing a line at 36,000, because 36,000 is a round figure, and you all know there is going to be a lot of support at this level. There will be many people, those who have bought or sold at this level. So there is going to be big support at this level. It will not allow easily to go behind this, below this level. Okay. So then on the upper side, I feel that the high for today, because you can see it was open is equal to high is the same for today. So that is why I am going to mark the resistance level. Okay. So as you can see here, the high for today was the same as the open price. As soon as it opened, it has come down. So what we can understand from this is there is going to be a lot of resistance at this particular point. So thereby for today, my range is going to be 36,000 on the lower side and 36,250 on the higher side. If at all market breaches any of this level, I will be going direction. I'll be trading based on direction, and as long as market is moving in this within this range, I am going to be sideways, and accordingly I will be taking my positions. Okay, that is so friends, as I told you, open interest will give you few days very clear indication as to what is going to be your resistance and support. If that is not available, then we can always look into our technicals. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, this is what I was telling you about the open interest. The strikes are almost at the ATM, so it is not giving us to indication as where the support and resistance is there. Fine. So let us wait. So this is the straddle which I have taken morning initially at 9:20. I just test the water with a small quantity. So I have taken the straddle with 800 quantity each, and as of now it is just moving sideways. Market is just moving sideways, and if at all I am able to gain any benefit out of it, profit out of in this position, then I will try to add more positions. Yeah. So you can see market is almost sideways. It is neither cross the upper band, neither the lower band. Sorry. So then I can add positions, and profit. I can see that we are in decent profit as well. We have got a little bit of theta decay as well. So early morning there is going to be good crush in the VIX. So in order to add the positions, I am first taking the hedge so that I can add more positions into my existing trade. So I am directly placing trades from Sensible. I feel it very comfortable placing from Sensible. I can select the strikes, I can see the price, I can also see what is the delta, and I can take my positions. So Sensible is a very good platform. In case if you want to join, the link I have provided in the description of this video. You can just make use of the link and get good discounts for subscribing. And yeah, so I've taken the call hedge. So let me take the put hedge as well. So this will help. This will be really helpful when you're doing live adjustments, friends. See, you can see in the left side, you can see there is the deltas. Also, you can see the OI change. You can see. So based on the delta, if you're doing any adjustments, or if at all you want to select any strikes based on the delta, you can accordingly select and take these strikes. Yeah, and especially entry when I'm taking these days, I'm looking into the delta and taking. I'm taking almost 0.25 delta. I'm not taking ATM because I'm just waiting for the VIX to come down below 20. Once it comes below 20, then I will be able to take ATM's strikes. As of now, I'm taking only 0.25 strikes, and how is that I'm knowing it? I'm using the Sensible platform for tracking the open interest as well as the deltas, and accordingly take the positions. Okay, so now I've entered my full quantities. Market is still moving sideways as of now, so I just took all my entries. I'm expecting good decay as of now. Presently around 8,000 rupees profit we can see, and yeah. So once this area gets breached, we can be bullish on the market, and then accordingly we can do the adjustments. Okay, so friends, finally now the market has breached our boundaries. As you can see, the level which I had marked, it has crossed the levels, and thereby I am bullish from now onwards. So that, and also you can see RSI is above 60, and it's a very clear indication that market is going to be bullish. So I closed down all my call positions. I closed one by one, almost closed everything. Now I left with only the put positions. Okay, now the time is 12:20, and you can see market has reversed. So initially after breaking this level, it went top. It was continuing going top, and then it remained sideways, and then you can see after this 11:45 market started coming down, and my indicator which I was following was the super trend indicator. It gave a signal that yes, it's you can see this particular candle has given a very clear indication that market has reversed. It is a super trend 10-3 setting, so it's very long one. So now I started adding put positions as well, because I'm expecting the market might move down, and because of this one way movement, you can see I'm in slight loss of around 27,000 as of now. But in case if market remains sideways from here, I will be in very good profits, and you can see market presently is moving in a sideways direction, and I have come back into profits from my losing positions. And you can see as of now I'm in a neutral position, but slightly I am bearish as well, because it might go again down. Okay, so as of now we can say market is moving completely sideways, so there is nothing adjustments to be done, no much complexity, completely neutral. And today being Tuesday, we can expect, today being Wednesday, we can expect good decay. So it is always good that if market remains sideways, we'll make very good profit. So you can see there is no adjustment done. I'm just waiting with my same positions. Not add any call nor put. Time is now close to 2 o'clock. There were a bit of spikes which you can see, but that did not impact much of our positions, and decent profit of around 44,000 as of now. Okay, so we will I would expect market to remain same level. Okay, so friends, it's now close to 3 o'clock, and you can see not done any adjustments, just kept on my position same as it is. Market was almost moving sideways, and I have closed my entire positions with a profit of around 54,757. So this was how Banknifty behaved today. You can see it's initially there was a slight bullishness. After that, it was completely sideways. It really helped being Wednesday. Good premium decay expected. Yeah. But although it did not come as expected, we would have got much more on the Wednesdays, but fair enough, 0.5% for today. And the important lesson is that this week we are still in profits. It was just one day of loss, but still overall if you see, we are still in profits, and still there are many more days to go. So let us see how it is going to be. Okay friends, hope you liked today's video. If at all you have any doubts, as I always keep telling you, you can WhatsApp on my number. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.